Hi friends, I'm so glad to see you today, and I have a really nice tutorial I want to share with you. I want to share what I've been doing for the last month to create changes in my skin. So it's going to be a simple tutorial, but straight to the point, and tell you some things that I changed in my routine, and even share a little hair product because I've been letting my hair go natural. And at the end, I want to share a little story with you and tell you why I'm letting my hair go natural and why I've been so busy. Okay, so let's get started. The first thing I want to share with you is the launch of our new, on our site, of Skin Scripts. Skin Scripts is an unbelievable product line. It's dispersed from estheticians, and we use it in our treatment, our back bar treatment. So we're carrying it on our site, and I'm absolutely amazed by the results. So the first thing I wanted to share with you is the Retinol 2% exfoliating scrub mask. I've been seeing such a change in my skin. This combines a 2% pure retinol and malic acid, and it has a physical resurfacing. So what this is going to do is it's going to work on the surface, and it's going to refine the skin. It's going to lift dead cells, all the while it's driving the retinol deeper into the skin. It will have it will accelerate skin cell renewal. It'll fade your dark spots, help with sun damage and fine lines. It has a brightening booster of kojic acid that lightens hyperpigmentation. And remember that in itself, when we're lifting pigmentation in the skin, is going to give us a really refreshed, just a really refreshed, glowing look when we lighten the pigmentation from the sun and from damage of the sun. So I am using that 3 times a week at night. And the beauty of it is you can apply it to your skin and your neck, your décolleté, apply it to your skin. You can leave it on if you want to for 3 to 10 minutes, any amount of time you'd like. Then just take a little bit of warm water and just start doing your circular motion and really work that in. I'd say 2 minutes. Just make sure you really give yourself a nice massage with your fingertips using a little bit of pressure. So I can't say enough about the Retinol 2% exfoliating scrub mask. Now, I've really been honing in on my, I call them hormonal lip lines. I've got some on the chin and on the lip. And I'm gonna tell you a little bit about what I've been treating my skin with. You all know that I love ampules, and I always am researching the best ampules for us to microneedle or dermaneedle our skin. I see a lot of content creators talking about microneedling and using hyaluronic acid. My philosophy is, why not get a more clinical treatment and use an ampule? And you all know, my friends, you all know that I love to carry ampules on our website because I really feel that that's the most powerful way to achieve results. So this one we're doing really well with, and it's Hop plus Paleo. So this is from the House of Tove, and this is a clinical product, which means the House of Tove is PLLA growth factor ampule. And what I found is, first of all, the ampule gives me enough for at least 3 or 4 treatments. You would microneedle your entire face, and I'll link a video on microneedling if you want to click onto that one next. Let's just say my skin was prepped and I had microneedled. You're going to apply either with a brush, or you can just apply it to your fingers, and you're going to add a couple of applications of the growth factor. Now, the growth factor creates dermal thickening. It stimulates fibroblasts to produce new collagen and plump up sagging skin from within. It has advanced signaling, which means it features a 4GF growth factor complex to repair and regenerate damaged tissue. And one of the key points with this product is that it's adding these nutrients, growth factors, very complex ingredients into the layers of the skin, and then our skin's remodeling. It's sending out collagen. It's repairing and it's reversing our aging skin, our damaged skin. Now, it has an oxygenating absorption, which is effervescence on the skin to drive active ingredients deeper into the pores. So I think that means effervescent, but it says EFFERVESCES. So I don't know if I pronounced that correctly, but so it just oxygenates the skin so the ingredients are driven deeper into the skin. So this is polylactic acid with a combination of growth factors, both. So you know I love PLLA. We even have an ampule of polylactic acid, which is a biostimulator that stimulates collagen in the skin. But this combines two. It combines the growth factor, the GF growth factor complex, and the PLLA. So the reason I wanted to tell you I had achieved such great results is right here in my upper lip. I'm almost down to very, very few hormonal lines. And I had been concerned about that because I could tell they were really creeping in. And I needed to do something that would trigger elastin collagen, plump up that area, and refine those little fine lines, because I don't want them to get deeper. I like having a smoother upper lip and smoother chin. So I was so excited when I saw the results. I've done it twice in the last month. And then, of course, you know, you all know I love the PRXT peel, that there's no downtime and there's really no peeling. It just does amazing things for the skin. I'll put that on maybe once a week. I'll put that on as a booster to what I'm doing with the House of Tobe PLLA growth factor ampule. So it's really a great value because you get at least 3 or 4 treatments out of that ampule. Now let's go on to another thing that I've done is I've grown my lashes, and I forgot the tube, but my lashes have really come along, and it's the Grande Lash, and I'm finding that I'm down to applying it around 3 times a week now. And I really love having the longer lashes, but I have to be really honest with you, and I have to tell you that I do have sensitive eyes, and I have to use, I do use this product. I either use the one, the really expensive one, the drops, I forget the name of it, or I use it's a Bausch & Lomb product, and I use that for irritation or dry eyes, because I find that the Grande Lash, it can be a little irritating. So I just use precaution, and I use that morning and night. The nights I'm using the Grande Lash, but it's infused with L-proline, which is amino acids, vitamins, and botanical antioxidants, and it's really helping my lashes fill in and look longer, and it just makes me feel more feminine, and I love that. So that's something I've done in the last month. I also want to mention that I am using Moroccan oil, and my hair is super dry because it's very curly. So this is Fructis Garnier Sleek and Shine Moroccan Sleek Smoothing oil. This is anti-frizz, and it is really moisturizing my hair and defining the curls. Now this is my second day and I didn't wash it today, but after I wash it, I just am very generous with that product, and it's so affordable and it makes my hair feel so healthy, and it really brings out the curl. And I've decided that I'm just gonna go natural because I need to be able to find time to just get ready quickly and see my 5 grand boys. So that's the story I want to tell you at the end of this video about my grand boys. Okay, so it has a very nice scent. It's got avocado oil, essential fatty acids, and sweet almond oil, and it's deeply emollient to the skin, to the hair. Now, I want to tell you my continued success on my crepey arms and my legs. I'm still doing the exfoliation similar to the body treatment I shared with you, and I'm diligent about that. I just think it's a great routine. And then I'm putting on a very, very small layer, thin layer of our crepey reversal cream. And then I'm going in with a new body lotion that I'm loving. And we just launched it, and I made it really affordable, but it has a great ingredients, and it's the almond avocado body lotion, and it is packed with really great nutrients, and I'm smothering that over my skin and my oil because I don't feel like you can ever get too much hydration and moisturization at this age. So it is a wonderful formula. It's packed with great ingredients. I'm trying to find the ingredients here. Let's see. It protects the barrier. It has oat kernel extract and allantoin that calms. It's clinically proven to be an anti-inflammatory, and it protects against razor burns and skin flakes. It's paraben-free, sulfate-free, formaldehyde, donor-free, and alcohol-free, and it just has a really nice quality to it, and you can use it pretty liberally, and you'll see a difference in your skin. Now, I wanted to share, of course, the crepey skin repair has, it's the bioengineered anti-aging complex, and I've shared this before, so I won't go into it too much, but 55% of women tested said that they saw a change in their skin after 12 weeks. A firming peptide duo, it supports collagen, renewal, restores elasticity. Sodium lactate, which is a milk acid, and it's a potent alpha hydroxy acid constitute of the skin. It's a natural moisturizing factor, and it really increases, sodium lactate really increases deep hydration in the skin. And Swiss apple stem cells, which is a really wonderful ingredient that gives your skin a cellular repair. Now, I wanted to share an idea, and if you like the idea, let me know. There's one other thing that I've done this month, and I am studying a lot about facial yoga and facial exercise. And this is I think I've done it 5 weeks now. And if you would like me to share a video on how I'm tightening my neck and the routine that I have that I'm loving, I would like to share it with you. So leave me a comment below, just put, neck or neck lift or something like that. I see a tightening and a firming in my neck and in my jowls. And so I'm super excited about that. Let's see, was there anything else? Oh, I wanted to share what's kept me busy and why I haven't done any tutorials. We got back to Tennessee, our farm home here, and we returned about 6 weeks ago. And when I'm not here, this is a great big property, and it's really beautiful and hilly. And my grandkids come and they play all over and have a ball. Well, we returned, we came home, and the side living room door had been left open for many weeks. And if you are all familiar with the South, you know, what happens is different than what happens in California. So we had bugs, cobwebs, all of the furniture had a layer of mildew. The birds came in, made nests. The birds were trapped in the house, which was really sad. And it looked like the house was just absolutely taken over by mildew, buildup, dust, dirt, bugs, large bugs, dead birds. I mean, it was a mess. I couldn't believe our home. So it's taken me weeks and weeks and weeks to get it back to what it was, because it's an old farmhouse we're renovating. So it's a tough, you know, it's tough anyways, because things happen all the time. It's so old. But anyways, I told the grandkids, I said, Mimi's house got really messy. Really was bad. And these are, I have 5 grandsons, 8 and under. And the oldest ones, I asked them, how long do you think it would take you to clean it? I was teasing them. How long do you think it would take to clean our house? And they said, oh, it'd take weeks, Mimi. It's really bad. I said, well, what do you suppose happened? And they said, well, we're pretty sure that some goats and some goats, and what else did they say? Goats and chickens got in the house. And I just thought that was the cutest thing, because they were convinced. Oh, a bear got in the house. So goats, chickens, and a bear got in the house while we were gone. And I just thought that was so typical of a 5, 6, and 8-year-old. Oh, of course, the 8-year-old was a little, I'm not sure that really happened, but the little ones, the 5 and the 6-year-old, definitely thought that that's what the problem was. So, you know, the reason I said that I'm wearing my hair naturally is I would like just that free time to just not worry about my hair, just be natural, accept my hair for what it is. It's crazy, it's big, it's just wild. So this was a real answer to that, because I can be ready in 20 minutes and off to see them or have them come over and do what it is I want to do while I'm here. And so that I wanted to share with you. So I hope some of this has been helpful. I just can't say enough about the treatment for my upper lip and my chin. And let me know down below if you like the idea of sharing, releasing the fascia, and then the exercises. I'm super, super pleased with the results. So I appreciate you stopping on by, and I can't wait to see you in the next one. And leave me a comment below, and ask me any questions that you need to know about your skin. I love to help. Kindness and loving care towards you all. Have a great day. I'll see you.